gonna show you my sister Erica. Thank you for liking his videos. Look. What are you doing, my sister Erica? I'm getting some likes and views. Me, I got so many likes. So I'm gonna show you. Oh yeah, snack time. He loves Pancit Canton. Hey, give me water. Oh, on hurry. Yummy, right? Thank you, Arian. How to hold this? I can hold like this. Yeah. This is my bedroom right now. Hey, no, that's my auntie's bedroom. Ah! Oops, sorry. That's okay, Arian. I see your video. I'm videoing. Okay. I have to put the water right here. Look at me, Johan. I know. I need to video. Sorry. That's okay. I have to eat some more Pancit Canton. Look.
Coming from Negros, Cruz, meron siyang mga report, may mga nahuli na rin na yung motorcycle rider na una, hinuli siya kasi wala ng helmet at nagbubat nila ng compartment ng motor niya, ay meron pala mga sobre na
you can see Pancit Canton in the ad. Look.
monitor sa area nila, no, na kailangang bantayan.
Point out mo, Mel, na talagang napaka-talamak.
They're super yummy and spicy. Okay, I need to drink water. Wait for my brother, it's almost ending. I'm back, you guys. See you in the next part later because it's almost ending. You can do another channel. Sometimes we fight. Mama! Sometimes. Bye, guys.